Filing VAT returns in Xero is simple and straightforward, especially if you're new to accounting software. In this quick explanation, I'll guide you through how to file VAT returns in Xero step by step. Stick around to the end for an exclusive extended free trial of Xero that you can access right through the link below. Once you've set up Xero and linked it to your bank accounts, the first thing you need to do is make sure your VAT settings are correct. In Xero, go to the Accounting tab, then select Advanced, and finally Tax Rates. Here, you'll want to verify that your tax settings match the VAT rates for your location and business type. Don't worry, Xero automatically keeps these updated, but it's good practice to double check. Next, you'll need to enter all your transactions correctly, so Xero can automatically calculate your VAT. Whenever you create invoices or record purchases, make sure you select the right tax rate for each transaction. Xero's intuitive interface makes this easy, and it will automatically track VAT on both sales and purchases. When it's time to file your VAT return, head over to the VAT section in Xero under Reports. You'll see an option to prepare your VAT return. Xero will show you a summary of your VAT obligations, including sales, purchases, and the VAT you've already paid or collected. If you've set everything up correctly, Xero will calculate the VAT you owe or are due to reclaim. One key benefit of Xero is its ability to reconcile your VAT automatically. Xero integrates seamlessly with your bank, pulling in transactions and matching them to the VAT categories you've set up. This means less manual work for you and fewer chances for mistakes. The VAT return is pre-filled with the information from your invoices and payments. Once everything looks good, you can file your VAT return directly from Xero. Depending on your country, Xero can file the return directly with the tax authority or generate a report for you to submit manually. If you're filing directly, you'll simply click Submit, and Xero takes care of the rest. Before submitting, always review the return to ensure accuracy. If you spot any discrepancies, Xero allows you to go back and adjust transactions before filing. You can even track past VAT returns in the Reports section if you ever need to refer back to them. Finally, once your VAT return is submitted, Xero will update your records automatically. You'll also be able to keep track of your VAT obligations moving forward with Xero's dashboard. This makes it easy to monitor your VAT status at any time. If you've never used Xero before, you can start using it completely free from the link below, and we're offering an exclusive extended free trial that you won't get anywhere else. Xero is a powerful tool that simplifies VAT filing, helping you stay compliant with tax laws while saving you time.